What time is it?
It's time for your mama.
Kicking them shoes off.
Hey guys, it's a new week of vlogs, and we're starting off with a brand new camera guy. I don't know if he's gonna be in any of the other ones this week, but that freaking Junior is right there.
So in this vlog, we're for right now we're just going on a walk, and then we're probably gonna like film something. Maybe we'll get some behind the scenes crap for you guys.
I didn't tell you to update them, I just wanted to introduce you. So guys, today we're going on a walk. We might film something later. And yeah, but keep filming, you little freaking nerd.
I am still filming.
Cause it's freaking 85 degrees outside.
Yeah.
I don't even freaking coat anymore. Yeah, it's summer. Cool yourself down with, like, you know,
Some water.
Actually, no, stay hydrated. And cool yourself down with a freaking lifesaver, cause then it like becomes like a ice bomb when it with water combined with it. So yeah, we're gonna be getting exercise today, you know, because it's summer. I said this in my 30-second basketball video that you should probably like get in shape so you can actually go outside and not just be like.
Are you telling me to get in shape?
No, probably not. Yeah, look over there. So we're going. Oh my god, there's like a lot of heat.
So I'm just letting you know, that is what's ruining all the lighting, is the window being open.
Well, look outside. Yeah, I don't even want to focus on me at the moment. That's where we're going. But you might not get like a juicy shot, like an overview shot when we're out there. Yeah. Someone out there.
What?
What?
You don't record me like this.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I know, I'm recording anybody else's shit.
Huh?
Hello.
Do you not?
We're gonna walk.
Oh, it's not like a vlog. That's cute.
Hello.
What do you want?
Okay.
Why'd you yell my name?
To, like, see you guys. I'm so bored. Yeah, we're bored. We're busy. Okay, well, have a nice day. Where were you guys gonna go?
On a walk.
Stop.
Why do you cover that eye on me?
Because these two go.
I don't think someone's just gonna comment and be like, did anyone else notice those 2 pimples under her freaking right eye?
Well, it makes me feel better if I cover it.
I will. Just get out of here.
Alright, have fun.
We will. Get some outside air.
Oh my god. Wanna walk?
Is Negan coming?
No.
Oh.
Actually, yeah. Hey, Negan. You gotta get everything. You gotta really like immerse the audience into what's happening right now. You can't just be like, look at the freaking clouds.
I was getting a round view of the neighborhood.
Look. You can tell where our yard ends with the neighbors because the freaking flowers are actually here. They're like 1 foot. Look at the flowers. same color as my necklace. The darker. Anyway.
So Scribbler, Scribby boy.
What?
Anything new coming to the channel?
Well. It sounds so like freaking staged. Well, I do got a couple videos I was gonna go for.
This is what I was talking about, our hangout spot. Remember when we'd chill right here?
Kind of. No.
This is like the
Look at the nose. Look at the nose. Can't sit down on the job, boy. Yeah, anyway, we're freaking going everywhere. So, yeah, there's new crap coming. There's gonna be some vlogs that I literally forgot about, like that we recorded a little bit ago, like 2 months ago. And there's also a swimming vlog, but I don't even know if that's still alive. It's on my, why you get so close to? I feel like I'm getting freaking like gangbanged by the freaking audience right now. Yeti. Is the mic on?
Yeah. It's freaking probably being Shrek'd right now.
All this wind.
Uh-huh.
Actually feels like really nice outside. We're trying not to get those freaking mailboxes in the shot. So it might be a little weird, like tight. But yeah, I might just wanna like get them feet and shit. Yeah. We don't get like sued by everybody.
We're getting Scribbler to meditation or whatever. You know?
We'll talk about that when we like actually sit down somewhere.
Okay.
We should probably just start recording for now. Right now. Coke is gone. I threw it on the ground. Who's that? Alright guys, we're going tree hunting.
So listen,
We'll win.
we're looking for 2 juicy trees that are not in someone's yard.
Good juicy camera work.
We're looking for 2 juicy trees that are not in someone's yard, that have a nice open area like above it, good place to lay your head,
Yeah.
maybe like bring a book.
I don't know, maybe you see that tree over there? Like the end of the road? See it?
The freaking dead one?
Like all the way at the end.
Yeah, the freaking dead one.
Yeah, I think that would be a juicy one.
But,
It's not really like at anyone's house, just like at the end of the road.
Alright, we'll catch up when we're there.
Wait, you gotta do a freaking transition.
Wait, like a...
Hey, go on. This is thy backyard. Beautiful.
It's freaking like overgrown as crap over here.
Yeah, we're gonna be freaking filming like the end of the world crap maybe this summer, so it's kind of, you know, a lot of crap growing right now. But
Well, maybe there isn't a juicy tree, but there's some nice juicy rocks.
the darkness
Yeah.
in the woods. It's freaking, it's really like growing. Like look around. Like, this looks pretty juicy over here. We should film scenes down the world over here. Look at this crap. These woods look like magnificent. Idle shot. Idle shot.
I was just trying to get a good thing because it wasn't focusing.
Wait, we gotta get that thumbnail. that thumbnail shot. Ow. Kinda gay, but. Look, it's probably not even a good thumbnail shot, but the woods forever gorgeous. I don't know if I can.
That fence is kind of freaking tall.
Is it like cracked out over there?
No, but the fence is tall.
Well, I'm taller than the fence.
But yeah,
There's literally Ebola just flying around me.
it's not focused. The lighting is weird.
Okay. Of course, when it gets on me, everything freaking fails.
Alright, go hurry up. Well, the lighting's
I don't know
good.
how to get over this.
The lighting's good. Just.
Oh, my freaking ingrown freaking toe. Ooh. That freaking hurt. Gotta make sure I'm not bleeding. My freaking gut's out.
The freaking hand has like marks on it from that
I literally
fence.
freaking got up here and just stabbed my freaking guts on there. God. You ready for me to freaking impale my freaking stomach on one of these?
Yes.
Ah! Oh my god.
Me and the Scribbler are just trying to get a little bit of nature in. You know, nature is very important. Make sure you get your daily nature. Yes. The king is coming. With the king is coming. The king is coming with the bug spray, so we're not being harassed by all these freaking bugs flying around us. It's freaking hard to walk right here.
Okay. Got the freaking repellent.
Here, hold the camera. No.
My finger wasn't even on
You
it.
gotta spray me. No.
Oh my god, these bugs are like, yo! What are you doing? It is, they see like a, I look like I just freaking like spray tan myself. Oh my god, the bugs are just like turned to my freaking camera for like blood. You guys feel the Ebola coursing through your veins after the mosquito landed on you? My hair like covers most of my freaking head, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, I'll just leave this in my Coke can.
Did you already spray it on yourself?
Yeah.
Alright, well,
Try to get this over here.
alright, let me just hop it. Oh well. You just look like a freaking silhouette.
What?
You just look like a silhouette.
Freaking Spooder Man art.
It looks like you're already in front of the freaking fence. Yeah.
Hey guys, I hopped over. I do not like this. Kind of unstable though.
I know, that's what my problem was. Just put that leg over and then
You can crush my ball sack on this.
put that other foot on top of the fence with your foot.
Hmm?
Put your other foot, like basically try and stand on the top of the fence. Like put your other foot up there with that foot.
But it's gay.
You have to.
Woo!
Really juicy freaking bug on me. There's probably so many Joes on me right now. The getting over the fence episode. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna be here for a while. I'll get over it. I just need time. I just need a little bit of time and all these freaking bugs to get the frick away from me. Just let me get over it.
Put your left arm back where it was.
Where?
On the other side of your leg. Put on the other side of your leg.
Like that?
No, your left arm. Like, go on the other side of your knee with your left arm.
Huh?
With on this side.
Ooh, I'm freaking sweating. Holy now. My hands are in critical condition now.
I'm gonna get a side view.
Okay. I'm not using my physical body anymore. I'm using the soul to get over the fence now. So my body's just gonna be sitting here, but then my soul will just be over it. You know? You'll see what I'm talking about. Just keep that shot no matter what. You'll understand later. I feel like I should use a different part though. I feel like I just like made it really unstable. Ooh, this part. Now that's a swing. My arms freaking hurt from like sitting out there for so long. You don't talk about it. I'm like losing like all my strength with each freaking jump. I need to meditate real quick. Or if I feel like my body is just like filled to the brim with like crap. It's just like I don't want to lose all that crap. It's been there for too long. But I have to. I'm making a life lesson out of me getting over the fence. You know, you gotta jump over the fence if you want to succeed.
It's like telling people to come out of their closet. You gotta come out of the closet.
Daddy, those freaking winners. Oh my god, nigga. Get out of here, nigga.
Okay. Use your inner chi. Deep breaths. Tell yourself, there's no time to fail, only time to succeed.
This isn't freaking Kung Fu Panda 4. Get out of here.
This is what Master Oogway would have wanted. All these freaking flies though, Master Oogway would have gotten rid of all these.
Take your freaking mama. Would have gotten rid of you. Fucking abortion. Ooh. Okay.
And just like that, I'm gonna hand Solomon this camera.
That wasn't so hard.
Get out of my way.
Hold up, you little man. Ooh. Okay. Where are you going? You're just like walking already.
Alright.
Oh my god, now Negan's trying to get over.
Let's go over there, where it's like cool.
That's like somebody else's yard though.
But it's not like they're gonna just see us.
You're gonna go to school. See this? We're probably just gonna get like shot to death. They're gonna be like, no COVID-19 folk in my yard. Look at that, it's goats.
Oh, there's people out there.
I've showed this like a get it in your hand.
Do you want to freaking just walk around this whole area? Like look for somewhere deep in the freaking like to the side of like the cornfield or something to chill at?
Just chill.
Hey, look, isn't this the crap that Xavier said? The root beer crap?
Probably not. It's probably freaking like poison ivy. Hey, wait. Hey, what are you doing?
Pull it up. Like, pull the hole.
Die. Ooh.
You dropped
Some
it.
bug on me. That's not it. Ew, what the frick was that? That wasn't freaking Fruit Loop. It just smelled like really like bitter tasting leaf. What? Negan's over there. You're not even getting a shot.
Yeah.
Like, use the camera as your vision. This is a journey for me and you to become a better cameraman, and for me to freaking do crap. Okay, we're out of the woods.
So I definitely think this is someone's yard.
Junior, the camera is your eyesight. Alright.
Do you know what we should do? We should go explore that abandoned place over there. Uh-huh. It looks abandoned.
You making your own freaking short film over there, Junior? What's going on? Like, it looks like this is what the desert would look like if it had freaking vegetation on it. There's some sand and everything's just grass and cabbage. Whatever this is. It used to be a cornfield. I'm surprised there aren't like just, you know, corn seeds that kind of are like still here. Maybe they like put freaking poison everywhere. Wait, so who said something? The people next to the farm? What did they say?
I just heard like a voice.
Get off my property.
So someone definitely lives here now, right?
What you looking at?
I was looking at you.
Yeah, that's the house that got built here. This used to be a cornfield. Used to be actual nature. Then they just like destroyed everything and put a house here. I mean, it's a pretty nice house, but oh my god, Negan, you probably have like wiener ticks on you. I hope he doesn't have ticks on him now. This is like really tall grass.
Here, come here. Let's walk over this hill a little bit.
Ew, there's like crap on him.
Let's walk over this hill.
Negan, come here. Don't go in the long grass. What?
Let's walk over this hill and just like...
I was gonna do that. You focus on your camera, I already know what we're doing. Mic on?
Huh?
Mic on?
Yeah.
Well, they don't have a fence. Where are you looking? They don't have a fence. It's kind of weird. It kind of seems like they did have a fence over there and just like tore it down. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk anymore.
I was just showing my feet. Walking through the tall grass. Negan! This is a nice freaking like house back here.
This is like
It's a big yard.
this is like our second this is my second like ambient just nature vlog.
You know how it is.
Get back there. Where you looking? Where you looking? You're still looking at me.
Well, sit down. Let's find a cozy place to talk.
Well, we finally found a place. you've been along the entire freaking time. It's probably not that entertaining, but yeah, this was mostly just, which is why I was, you know, ronking you about getting shots and crap, is because I wanted this to be more about like the scenery.
Mm-hmm.
And not like really talking that much. But yeah, I mean, I was already thinking about meditating before, but Junior was just like, yo, want to freaking meditate? And so, well, I mean, I've only been along for like 2 of them, but you know, I haven't really felt like anything after them. But it kind of...
It's a matter of like being able to like learn, because you're not gonna know how to do something right away. You gotta find different videos on like how to control your breathing and how to like do all this like certain crap while meditating. And when you're able to focus in, like when you learn how to focus in, like channel your energy into meditation, it's just like a whole different like you live in like a whole different universe.
Because it's
because you just feel like at peace with yourself. Like,
I feel like it kind of like tied into this vlog though a little bit. Even though I wanted to do this before, I feel like we wouldn't have had like anything to talk about if like we didn't like meditate before this. Because we did meditate like an hour ago maybe, or even like
probably
earlier.
longer.
Because it was like 18 minutes, I don't know how long ago it was, but it was about positive energy. And it's kind of funny because like after I was sick, like in November, like before November, like at the end of October I was sick, because I mean, I don't want to, you know, throw any like fingers at people, but probably because of Junior and you know.
What?
Because I mean, everyone was sick in October, like at the end of it, but yeah, I got sick for like a week or 2, and after that, that was like the only thing going through my head after that, because I was just like, you know, sitting in my bed for a long time because I couldn't get up because I was like sick and my throat was burning to death, so I couldn't talk.
I like this angle.
And
I mean, I wasn't getting your head, like your forehead in it for like a couple seconds, but.
And yeah, like I was just like all about positivity after that. Cause I had a lot of time to like think through all like the negative crap that was going on, and I was just like, whoa, that doesn't even matter. And the first, like, I don't know if anyone like noticed, but the first video back was, you know, it was a reaction video, but I was still sick, and I was really like positive in that video. And after that, yeah, like I was positive for like the first 2 videos back. You know, it didn't last for that long though, because I was, you know, it just, you know, all the crap kind of came back after a little bit. But, you know, because you can't just freaking shove it all back and just be like, okay, I'm positive now, forever. You gotta like, you know,
right, it like takes,
slowly get through it.
it takes like a lot of negative to be able to like find your positive, you know. Like I was like freaking like devastated, super heartbroken. Like, and then just out of nowhere, like after just being by myself a lot and like having a lot of time to myself, I was just like, dang, like my life is pretty boring. Like I need like some energy. I got looked into meditation, and like it's just like an easy,
Oh look, there's a worm on my freaking foot.
like being able to like connect with your
Hello, Mom.
self.
It's a worm chilling.
The little inchworm,
Yeah.
a little wiener worm.
Here, get off my shoe. You guys like freaking silk. I'm freaking carrying him. Okay, get out of here.
I was just recording your wiener.
Wait, what? Wait, I'm gonna shake some wieners off real quick. Yeah, maybe it's about time I told you what this necklace was with all that out of the way. Oh, wait, also, the whole vlog thing. Because I had this exact same thought, but Junior kind of like reminded me of it. I don't know, I feel like in a lot of vlogs, they always like just, you know, cut a lot of crap out. It's almost like a, you know,
dude, these flies are ruthless.
it's almost like a staged like thing almost, but like I like the natural feel of my vlogs. Like that it's kind of like, you know, it's just like raw footage, and sometimes we don't even like say anything in them. It's just kind of like, you know, you just kind of like sit through like a just this like thing, and you can kind of like make your own thing out of it or do whatever you want. Think
right, because
whatever you want about
most
it.
YouTubers, they're whole different people, like off camera and on camera. So it's like important to be able to like show like what you actually do and like who you actually are. And some of the vlogger YouTubers don't really get to like do that because they cut out so much footage.
But yeah, they're all about, you know,
they only show like the stuff that's important, but like you gotta like show like the like, I don't know how to like explain it.
But yeah, they're just all about, you know, like clickbait sometimes and, you know, just growing the channel and everything. I'm pretty sure it says before, but I want people to come to like my channel because they want to come to my channel and like watch my crap. I got the fly just like chilling on top of the freaking mic. But yeah, like I don't want to like, you know, force people to just watch my crap. I just want, you know, them to come if they want, which might not work out, you know, as good as I think it's gonna work out, because they might just like watch it and just be like, okay, I'm just gonna move on now. But yeah, I'll keep it like that for a little bit, and if it starts to not work out after like maybe another year or something, like at the end of the 2020, then I'll just, you know, try to grow it. You know how everyone probably wants me to grow it. But yeah. Oh, also share this video with people and you know, share crap. I honestly feel like that would be the best way to grow my channel. It's just for people that actually like it now, to just like share it with people. Cause then, you know, I don't know, I feel like sometimes people are like afraid to show channels to like their friends and crap, because they think it's like, you know, lame. Or you know, they might not like it, and they'll just be like, ew, why do you watch that? This guy's kind of lame or something. But I feel like doing that would even, you know, help you with, you know, getting closer to like your friends or something. I don't know, or just being like more open about crap that you watch. But yeah, I might just, I don't know where I should end this. I don't know if I should end it yet. Yeah, this necklace, I guess. I should talk about that. Finally, like at the end of the video, I tell you, even though I told you at the beginning of the video, I wasn't gonna freaking tell you. This necklace didn't really mean too much. You know, when I first bought it, it was just like a prop for like a series. But I feel like it kind of represents like, you know, not like, you know, doing what you want to do, you know, just kind of like sit there, because I've just been kind of like sitting there just like staring at this necklace just hanging there for like a long time, and it's just like been sitting in a bag, and I've been just kind of waiting to like, you know, film my series with it and other crap, when I could just, you know, use it for, you know, something like this. And it's supposed to be like a soul healing necklace too, which is, you know, kind of cool, I suppose. It's just like, you know, it's just been there for like ever since 2018. I don't know exactly what it is yet, but when I know, I'll like try to sneak it in somehow. And hopefully someone will like get their own meaning out of it. Yeah, and maybe just comment down what you think it means. With the little information I just gave you, you can just make up your own crap. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, you know, for more content.
There's a freaking little wormy on me too.
Yo, we're gonna get like, you know, shot at this guy's house. It's gonna be the next video. It's gonna be clickbaited.
I can't freaking. It won't focus on the little worm. Oh, you stupid fly. Oh well. What were you saying?
I was talking about how we were gonna clickbait everything. no, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, click on and subscribe. And
Share this video.
Like, click the deer and clue in like crap, and like the video because like nobody's been liking the videos recently. So yeah. There's like an imprint. Well, we got closer over there, right?
I don't know.
Freaking bugs. Okay. Just lay down. It's like, is the mic on? I just feel like the wind just going like under me. And Junior like raping me.
Someone probably thinks we're making like a freaking like wilderness porno.
Yeah. It's just like really nice laying down right here. I feel like I could just stay there like forever. Just have crap like grow under me. Or grow like into my freaking wiener.
Nature's is a nice, very soothing place.